Yes, guys, so join us and enjoy the great meals from the table of Suriko. Today it's already smelling like it, you know. I am making Ikokore. Ikokore is actually a water yam pottage. Pottage is the same thing. So I am going to take you step by step on how it is being made. So guys, let me first introduce you to my recipe. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to blend my locust beans with scotch bonnet, habanero, and tarudo. So this is my blended onion, and this is my dry blended crayfish. This is my water yam. Yes, this is Oshiri, Orichi, Chi. This one I have gizzard here, I have goat meat, I have cow skin, I have Titus fish, I have stockfish bits, then I have shaki. That's all I have here. Then I have a big stream, that big stream, the big stream, it is the big stream for me. So guys, this is what we're going to do right away now. I am going to combine my locust beans with my habanero, blend it so that I start cooking all the sauce. My onion, my blended crayfish, This is done seasoning because it just got to come with its own sweetness. So guys, pack all the fish into the sauce. Let's pack all this out. Everything before we start putting on the yam paste. You see? This is all shade of goodness. You know when you have not eaten it and you have already been full. Oh, now it's gone. So guys, Ikokore I have done. No, this is our Ikokore special. So let me know what your comment is in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. This is it. Thank you guys for always coming in. Till I see you in another video. Keep watching, keep following. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. No, come and eat. Johnny, Ikokore, Oya Titi. All season. Thank you. Bye.